What is up, guys? Your boy Soldier here, ZLOJ, whatever you guys want to call me. Back at it again with another video. Hope you guys having a great day. Today we're going to a chill meet, not a takeover, no sideshow. I don't usually do videos like these, so I don't know what to expect. We are taking the vet, so what my plans are, hopefully we find some runs over there and see what this vet could do. So if you guys like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys right now. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. It looks pretty far. I'll record once I get there. El car pulled up. Damn. Yo, this shit's packed as fuck. Cool little Subi. 5-0 everywhere. Clean as he. Oh yeah, that shit's packed.
It's hella packed, bro.
And they got LS1 on it, huh?
Yeah, they did.
That's what. Oh, I think that's a fly or some shit. Watch out, bro.
Fuck him up!
What happened? Yeah, I think it's a fucking, for sure a fly or something. Oh, the clean ass notch right there. Sheesh. That shit's wet. Oh, damn. Cops always abusing their power. That's a clean ass thing. Oh, what the heck? There's at least like 20 cops in this fucking parking lot. Like everywhere. Oh, yeah, clean ass D06. Oh, murder. Now it's just wet. Got that V2 right there. Sheesh. You feel that shit in your chest?
Nigga, yeah, like,
God damn.
nigga, no one got shit on that.
We got the C7 here. That's just wet. Oh, that's clean as fuck. Today we're finally gonna make the Corvette loud. I didn't get no exhaust. We're just gonna do a simply muffler delete, that's it. We're obviously gonna see a huge difference because the whole car is stock. It's so quiet. So yeah, that should be interesting. I'll be doing a before and after video so you guys could hear how it sounds. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, we stopped to get the first meal of the day. We got some Taco Bell. We're gonna grab real quick and we're gonna go straight to the muffler shop. Alright guys, we made it to the shop. I'll try to record as much as I can. We'll see what's up right now. Hopefully they're not packed. Oh, we good. Oh no, we're cool.
keys.
My bad.
It's gonna be reverse on this one, just regular.
The reverse is all the way to the right and top. Alright guys, hopefully you guys liked the video. It was nothing crazy. It was just a simple muffler delete. I'm gonna go back next week to get the cats off. Hopefully with those cats removed, it'll be so much louder. I am planning to put some headers on this car because I like all my whips super loud. Huge shout out to Modesto Muffler Shop. I'm gonna leave their info down here. Hit them up if you guys need any exhaust work done. They get down, so hit them up. Yeah, if you guys new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Late.